Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another unboxing video. Now, in today's video, I ordered something special last week and it just arrived this morning. I want to unbox that with you today. Today we're going to unbox the Xiaomi Dreame V9P cordless vacuum stick. Yes. Because I wanna share this with you. I wanted you to see how the Xiaomi vacuum cleaner looks like. I am very excited for this because I've been needing a vacuum stick for a while now. You know, if you're a Filipino, ang gamit mo lagi is a broom to sweep the floor, and that's how I clean. I first sweep the floor and I follow it up with the vacuum cleaner. We have a Dyson vacuum cleaner here, but I thought, you know, I need this. I want to try it. So when it arrived this morning, I was so excited and I want to unbox it with you today. Now, before we start the unboxing, I just want to remind everyone to please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. If if you like this video, put a thumbs up and share this with your family and friends. And let's get started. So again, this is the Xiaomi cordless vacuum cleaner. It's Xiaomi's Australian version of their Dreame V9P cordless vacuum stick. Let's start the unboxing. Now, first thing that we have is their manual. Now, the charger. We have some screws for the charging dock. This is your vacuum rod. Okay. Now we have here the machine itself. This is your long brush. Your electric motorized dust head. This is your mounting dock for your vacuum stick. We also have your flat wide brush. And of course your big carpet roller motorized head. Now this motorized head again is just for the carpet. You can also use this for the floor, but they have a separate floor head. If you want to buy it, they have a separate floor head brush for the vacuum V9P cordless vacuum cleaner. Now that's everything that they have inside the box. I'll give you a quick look of it. Here we are, guys. We have the Xiaomi Dreame V9P cordless vacuum cleaner. Now I'm gonna give you a summary of what the features are. Again, it has a rapid start function. It also had a cyclone separation technology. It has 5 stages of HEPA filtration that collects 0.3 microns at 99.99%. Smart air cooling system, and it has long running operation time. Now, this vacuum cleaner doesn't have an on and off button. All you need to do is to press this trigger, this red trigger here, and it will automatically start. It is set at number 1 mode, and then to change the mode, you just have to switch it from here at the back of the machine. So 1, 2, and max. Now your task bag is on the machine itself. There's a little tiny button here that you need to press. Easy. In here. And the bag will open up, and you can just throw the dust or whatever you collected in your trash bin. I got it for $359 at the Kogan website. There's a lot of vacuum stick cleaners in their website at the moment. There's different brands. but I find that Xiaomi is one of the most popular brands at the moment. If you are looking for a budget-friendly vacuum cleaner, and if you don't have any budget to buy Dyson cleaners, then I would recommend this. It's budget-friendly, it's good functionality-wise, aesthetic is very nice, it's sturdy, it's heavy, and yeah, first impression of this vacuum cleaner is good. I like it, I really do. The only downside to this vacuum cleaner is that it won't stand alone. So if you wanna put this on the side, you have to make sure that you put it somewhere that it won't slide off, or just put it in its dock, because it just wouldn't. It just won't stand by itself. That's the only downside to it. Other than that, I am loving it. I'm gonna test it more. Again, as I said, I'm gonna put a clean test review of how long I was able to run the machine for, and I will put this on this video, and let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned more about the Xiaomi vacuum cleaner. If you haven't done it yet, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the like button, share this to your family and friends, and I'll see you guys in the next unboxing video. Bye!